Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to change your Keynote presentation into a video, a movie. So we're going to talk about that. But first, I want to show you how to practice your presentation so you can make sure that you have the proper amount of time. So the way you do that is you go to the key at the upper right hand side of your toolbar. This is circled by a circle. And so I'm going to press that right now. And you get this screen here. And you see where it says Rehearse Slideshow? You press that. So when I press that, you can see I have my speaker's notes, which I have not put anything in. And you see there is a timer that is running down at the very top. So as you are giving this, you will note the first beginning time. And then as you go through your presentation, I'm not continuing on with my like audio so that you of course can hear me say this. Okay, so pardon me. But as you go through your presentation, you'll notice the time changing, and as you and your partners practice this, you will be able to see how long your audio takes and how long it takes to go through your presentation, and then you'll know exactly how much time your presentation takes. Okay, so that's how you would practice your presentation. Okay, I'm going to X out of this screen because that's not what we are going to do right now. And I'm going to go back to my first initial slide, and I'm going to go into export. Okay, so once again, we're in the screen, or the more menu, which is in the upper right hand side on the top toolbar. It's circled by a circle, and you're going to press export, and it gives you several options: PDF, PowerPoint, movie, animated GIF, images, Keynote theme. What you want to do is you want to export it as a movie. Okay, so I'm going to press that, export as movie. I want to put my resolution, let's see, pretty high. Okay, I want to go to the next slide after, I'm going to go after 8 seconds, go to the next build after 5 seconds. Okay, I'm going to go through all slide ranges. Okay, and then we'll go from there, and I'm going to export it now. Now, as you can see, it is creating the movie, and then all we have to do is wait and see what it is when we create the movie. And when this is finished, it will save to your photos file. And then all you'll have to do is to take that photos file and then apply it to the flip grid that Mr. Hogan is going to give you the code for. Okay, so then that's the next step, and I'll give you a video on how to do that. All right, so if you have this done, you should have your video exporting, and then the next step will be in the next video, part 5. Thanks so much.